Why do you need to install Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are common modifications for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers have multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared with common. The multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers can also be adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this kind of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, bloxsport active-cooling Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation tools to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These tools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when you rotate. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing the Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.